Installation of our rooftop crown feature continues, and once complete, it will be backlit and be the beacon of St. Petersburg. I'm standing on the balcony of a unit on level 42, and we're nearing completion of window installations for the entire building. Framing is complete on level 39, and we continue with rough-in of mechanical, electrical, and plumbing systems. Drywall installation continues on level 37. Unit finish application continues through level 35. Finish punch and correction continues on level 33. Tile installation continues on level 29. Cabinet installation is proceeding on level 25. We're in the final stages of punch in our lower units. Our island countertops feature a waterfall edge. All appliances are installed. With a view of the already complete and operational Hyatt Place Hotel, we peer down and see your amenity deck, where crews continue with waterproofing of planters and the installation of your pool. Progress with the fitness center continues with the addition of our roof membrane. We're on our pool deck, and as you can see, we're in the preparation for application of stucco on our planters. Some planters are already complete. Installation of windows in your fitness center are complete. Framing of walls begins within the next 2 weeks. Our pool bottom has been poured, and right now we're installing shoring and framing to pour our pool sidewalls, which will be integral with the infinity edge. Our lobby glass wall system installation is complete, and we now continue with the installation of mechanical, electrical, and plumbing systems. And we finish our update with progress as it continues with the ramp entrance to your garage. We look forward to presenting our next construction update as we continue to soar to new heights at 1 St. Petersburg.